The company can set up the 3D house printer at a build site in 6 to 8 hours and can print a 1900 square foot home in under 48 hours. The printer lays concrete layer by layer, creating the foundation and the interior and exterior walls of the house. The 3D printed house comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and an open floor plan. And because it is printed from concrete, its strength and durability exceeds that of conventional wood frame house constructions. Plus, the concrete that is used to print with is 2 to 3 times stronger than most brick and block homes. And the houses can be printed anywhere, on any block or land, even with elevations. There are many benefits to automating the construction of homes, including build speed and time on the job site. There is also added benefit of knowing exactly how much material is needed and extruding only that amount, radically reducing construction waste and lowering overall cost. So to give you an idea of savings, the 3D printed house is built